Alright guys, so right here in this package is the best thing you can do for a stock 8th Gen SI. This is the best aftermarket modification you can make. Now trust me on this. We'll do a little unboxing. Okay, we got a little top view. How do you like that? Put those cords out of the way. I just bought an Alienware computer. I've been making some gaming videos. If you're wondering why that's there. Alright, don't show you my address and info, but we'll open up this bad boy. Alright guys, so this is the best aftermarket mod you can do for your 8th Gen Civic Si. Skunk 2 Racing. But it's not just that, Okay, it's got a thing here. I'm excited because this is something I've always wanted to fix, something I always goof on, but I'll show it now. Some of you guys probably already know what this is. Wow, I will say though, for real, Skunk 2 does a really good job of their packaging. I'm really surprised. But if you look closely, it is a Skunk 2 weighted shift knob, and it's not as small as the stock one. Oh, this actually has lots of weight. I am surprised. That's really heavy for like how small it is. So hopefully it feels a lot better going to gears and stuff. I'll show you it when it's in my car. But you also get a Skunk 2 sticker. Nice touch. So an adapter. And you get like this owner's kit. That's pretty cool. I don't know why. It's kind of overkill for a shift knob, but I mean, I can't complain. So we got like a certificate for the actual sticker. I mean, a sticker certificate for the actual shift knob. And we got some info booklet. I'm really impressed by this unboxing. They did a really good job. But here, we'll show it in the car. Okay, so we need a wrench. Grab this one. You need an adjustable wrench for this one. Just take this bad boy. Alright, so in terms of removing this one's on pretty good. They really like to make sure these shift knobs are real tight. Something all I have to really do is lock this bad boy on here. And then I think you just gotta kind of hold the OEM shift knob and just twist it off. Should be pretty easy. I don't know if you guys can see, but yep, feels that easy. Wow, that actually was way easier than I thought it would be. So obviously we got no shift knob. Wow, man! I just got the iPhone 8 and man, this camera looks pretty good. So in case you notice a quality difference, it is the iPhone 8. So we'll throw this bad boy on. Oh, that's not right. Alright, so I had to kind of crank on it to get on so it would go straight. But right away I can just tell, you know, the weighted shift knob, believe it or not, it does a lot. It takes away kind of the pressure you need to put on when you're changing the gear. And this shift knob is at least twice the weight of this one. So it really makes a difference. And Skunk 2, they make pretty quality. They make quality products for sure. Looks nice. So how's the writing? Oh! Yeah, it definitely feels really good. A lot better than the stock one, and it just feels better. But I already have a hunch. In the summer, this shift knob is gonna get so hot. But you gotta live with it. Oh my god, it's so hot out today. It's like 30 degrees out, so Celsius. I don't know what that is. Just when I just got off work, I got some cool stuff in the coming for this car. I don't know why I'm shooting on my iPhone. I just thought, a little bit easier. But yeah, so I got lots of cool stuff coming next week. I'll have another video on my car. I got a huge modification. The best modification for drivability you can get? Hint, hint. Comment down below if you can guess. Motorcycle. Alright guys, thanks for watching.